Hey folks, Wednesday 27th of December 2022. And what we've seen really on equities has been finding a bottom, finding a bit of a bottom. So yesterday we were looking at the Dow, really nice areas to be trading on the Dow yesterday. Just let me get this fixed off my screen here. There we go. Uh, Sorry about that bit there. Yeah, so we were looking for longs both from this low that we pushed to on the open yesterday and had to wait really and it didn't get that, messed around a bit too much and had to wait for this pullback here onto PVAL. Nicer trade actually, to be honest, in a way. In a way, that's what I'm telling myself anyway. And we're holding the push on here. Big level, 33 291s for this market to get above. And I'm now happy to see we are above this. Quite a lot of talk this morning in our European session about this. So bids off of here, loving it. I think we're going up here, boys, and I think we need to test into the 33,508s area on the Dow. Just to let you look at that on the bigger time frame chart, this is a weekly bar chart. And this, yesterday, low of the week, has been a retest of the downward trend. So load it up. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Bang. All right, that's Dow. SPOOs, a little more nuanced, tricky trading yesterday, but long being the best way to look at this. And so, putting in a doji yesterday, we're printing up 0.68 on SPOOs here and 0.8 on the Dow. I think we can easily push to at least the 3960s from the lows we put in yesterday. And so let's keep going up here. We've got the downtrend, slightly different situation. We on the CPIs, not the FOMC, the CPIs printing up into this high. We did take shorts against that. Now I like the longs, certainly from what I'm seeing on the Dow. But let's see, what we get today for the upside. I think, looking for the trade. What would the trade look like? Well, on the 60-minute bars, look, I'd be a buyer on a pullback to the 38.43s. For sure, definitely. And the 38.46 halves. I like that trade. It'd be a bit of a capitulation down on the current session, but then I think we may just reverse back on up. But let's see. I mean, we're going to be trading this dynamically. We look at these markets in intense detail and look for these trades like this one yesterday on the SPOOs, lovely longs. All right, so that's equities out of the way. Oil, interesting here. We're testing into the 2015 high, 76.88. And second day now, really testing this area, coming in off of this trend that we've generated here from the last couple of days. Fine. I'm not long this market at the moment, but I am looking for longs. Around VWAP and 76.40s could come in. Are in around the PVAL 75.20s, and as I said, we should be talking about 80.53s maybe January, first week back in January, I think, if not just after we have Christmas Day. So that's oil, and that is the equities markets. Euro, quite interested in getting into a swing long on the euro, and you can see on the daily bars here, it's just going to take a bit of time really, and I don't want to fire a lot of capital at trying to get on these longs. I've already tried 2 attempts this morning and left quite a bit of P&L looking for that break to the upside, but too early in the session for the dollar to head south in any major way. And so really going to be waiting for the US session. As long as equities continue to print higher, I think you're going to see that degradation in the dollar. Maybe it's going to be selling down from 104 spot 1124s. Then look for the longs in the euro, comes back down in the Dixie, and then at the same time we're lifting on equities. That's the sort of trade I'm looking for on the euro today. And you can see it's got a little bit of headwinds here on this downward sort of compression area, pennant sort of structure at the moment. But I think we are going to break. Hopefully, I think this will break to the upside. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for longs in the euro only at the moment. All right, that is it for me for a pre-US session. All right, hope everyone's got their Christmas presents and shopping done. and leaving the wrapping to be done Christmas Eve. And listen, I'll see you later. Bye bye.